Dear students, today I will teach you a poem Keeping Quiet by Pablo Neruda. Pablo Neruda was a Chilean poet. He won the Nobel Prize for Literature in the year 1971. In this poem, Neruda talks about the necessity of quiet introspection and creating a feeling of mutual understanding among human beings. Now I will teach you the stanzas. First I am reciting. Now we will count to 12 and we will all keep still. For once on the face of the earth, let us not speak in any language. Let us stop for 1 second and not move our arms so much. It would be an exotic moment, without us, without engines. We would all be together in a sudden strangeness. Fishermen in the cold sea would not harm whales, and the man gathering salt would look at his hurt hands. Those who prepare green wars, wars with gas, wars with fire, victory with no survivors, would put on clean clothes and walk about with their brothers in the shade doing nothing. Now we will count to 12 and we will all keep still. It is the appeal of the poet to the people that they should remain quiet for a moment. Count to 12 means till he counts 12, he appeals to the people to remain quiet because we are too much busy in our life and we have no time to stop. It is the appeal of the poet that we should take out a moment from our life to remain quiet. For once on the face of the earth, let us not speak in any language. Poet wants people not to speak even a single word in any language. Actually, when we speak language, differentiations start. Language breeds discrimination. The poet wants that everybody should become quiet, then there will be no differences at all. Let us stop for 1 second and not move our arms so much. Poet wants that everybody should stop all the actions. And when we stop our actions, all the harmful activities will come to an end. So the poet appeals that we should not speak any language and we should not do any action, so that there is complete silence, there is quietness all around, and people have the time for introspection and mutual understanding. It would be an exotic moment, very wonderful moment. Without us, why will it be the exotic moment? Without us, without engines, there will be no hurriedness. People will be relaxed. Without engines, machines will not work. All machines will come to halt. All the industries will come to halt. We would all be together in a sudden stillness. And at that moment, when all the actions are stopped, we would all be together. It would signify our unity, our togetherness in a sudden stillness. It is called sudden stillness because it will happen suddenly, and it is a strange thing also because it is a very new experience. This has never happened before. So it is called sudden stillness. An example of alliteration also, repetition of a sound. Fishermen in the cold sea would not harm whales, and the man gathering salt would look at his hurt hands. Now look at these lines. Fisherman is a symbol of violence in the world. A violent man. Fisherman kills fish in the sea, so he is the representative of violence. Fishermen in the cold sea would not harm whales. When all actions will be stopped, fishermen will not go to the sea, and they won't harm whales. Whales represent our environment. Means man is very violent, destructive in nature. If all the actions are stopped, destructive activities will also come to an end. And the man gathering salt would look at his hurt hands. And the man gathering salt means it is again, the people are so much busy in their works that they have no time to look into their injuries. They have no time to look at their problems, their own difficulties. They are always busy in this materialistic world, and they want to go and go and go only. And the man gathering salt would look at his hurt hands. Means the poet wants to tell us that the people will have time to introspect, to look into their hurt hands. They can introspect what good or what bad they have done. Those who prepare green wars, wars with gas, wars with fire, what does it mean? Means the poet tells about those people who are always waging war against the environment, green wars, war against environment, cutting trees, wars with gas, those who are preparing chemical weapons, wars with fire, nuclear weapons. So people are busy in their destructive activities. And what is the result of the war? Victory with no survivors. Wars bring death and destruction. There is victory, but there are no survivors. So there is no one to celebrate the victory, which is done at the cost of that much of death and destruction. The poet wants to tell us, if we remain quiet, then what will be the result of this thing? That when such actions will also come to stop, and people would put on clean clothes. All these people who are busy in these destructive activities will put on clean clothes and walk about with their brothers in the shade doing the thing. Then they will walk like brothers. There will be brotherhood. It will give opportunity to the brotherhood and unity, and there will be togetherness, and they will all walk together in the shade doing nothing. Means they will remain quiet, they will introspect, they will do nothing, and there will be mutual understanding among the people. The rest of the poem I will teach you in the next video. Thanks for watching video. Thank you.